If you are looking for a CRM that focuses on conversation instead of just data, Como might be exactly what you need. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I will walk you through what Como is, how it works, and how you can start managing leads and sales with a messaging first approach. By the end, you will know how to set up your account, connect your messaging apps, and track deals all in one place. Right? So let's start with the dashboard. So on the top right side corner, just go and click on sign up or click on try it for 14 days. You can use your Google or Facebook or normal email address to start your 14 days free trial. I'm going to go use a Google account because it's simple and easy. Select it, click on continue, and that's it. So for those who don't know what is Como, it's a customer relationship management tool built around chats. Unlike traditional CRM that feel like spreadsheet, Como is designed to manage leads directly through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, email, live chat, right? So that is easy. Now select your support preference. So here you have to select your WhatsApp, or it could be just in-app support chat. You can up to you whatever option you want to go with. What industry are you in? So let's say I will select here rental and e-commerce, BB and children support, and my team members are around 11 to 20. Your workspace is ready. What do you want to do first? So here, organize lead and client, chat with client, build a no-code chatbot, improve workflow with AI. So let's start first of all with organize leads and clients, right? So it's this is how it's going to be. And here, say hello to the pipelines. You can create a pipeline, but even though if I don't, it's fine. So let's start from the account, from the dashboard, and I will give you a complete tutorial about Como. When you first log in, you will see this pipeline, the visual board where all your leads are. So for example, if I just go to the leads here, track, each column represent a stage. You can always edit a new column, right? But here you can see, and let me just quickly add it. So first of all, I will just give a random name here, John. And let's say it's around 15,000. And here, contract of 2 lakh. Enter company details. So I will just write here Filex Express company address and simply click on add. So this is a lead. Now I can move it to the qualified sent, order place, order fulfill, order ship, right? So if I want this deal, then I can move it to the won. If I just move it to the won, so as you can see here, um, if I just go to the dashboard here, I will get some information that I have won a deal, which you can see here, won a deal of 15,000. If I just go and click on it, you can see here now it giving me information about that specific deal which I have won. So this is how this entire lead system, the pipeline works, and you can work through it and you can create as many pipelines as you want for very different purposes and stuff. Adding a lead is a simple. You have to click on new lead or you can click on simply quick add. And as I have shown you, you can add this information. If there's a less information, it's fine. You can add more information, you can add notes and everything. And that's it. But here's the unique part. Every lead in a Como is tied to chat. So if I just go to a chat here and automatically whatever lead I have add here will show up in the chat section. This means that you can open that lead and see the full message history across channels. No more jumping between the apps. So first of all, you have to add channels. For example, here, these are the channels, my WhatsApp business, Instagram, Apple, there's all kind of social media, all kind of chatting social media, and you can add everything here. Now, once you add more than one, so automatically if you're talking with the same client through different social media, then automatically everything will align into a single chat section. These are the templates. So you can use this kind of templates. You just need to connect WhatsApp business and you can create templates. You can use the templates, right? So this is really easy. You can reply right from the CRM and your customers only see the message on their app, right? So Como also give you a template and quick automation. As I showed you, you can create quick reply templates for common questions or FAQs or set up automatic replies. For example, if a lead messages on you WhatsApp outside of your business hour, Como can instantly send a polite reply telling them that you will respond in the morning. Now let's talk about the task and notes, right? So here inside each lead card, so basically let's go to the lead. Now this is called card, and if I just go and open up this card here inside, you can assign tasks like call tomorrow at 10 a.m. So you can write your notes, and here you can add contacts, and there's a much more thing you can do. right? So once you do this, you can send proposals, right? Or by Friday, you can also add an internal note so teammates see the context without the client seeing it. So note feature is really good, by the way. Everything stays in one place. Another powerful feature is analytics, or you can call it stats. So you can just go to the stats here, and Como tracks how many leads comes in and how long the stays in each stage, and how many converted into sale. This reports gives you insight into your pipeline's performance and help you spot where deals get stuck. If you're running a team, Como also help with collaboration. You can assign leads to specific users, see who is handling which chats, and even use internal chat features to coordinate. No more confusion about who is following up. Now let's go through a quick workflow example. Imagine a new lead message. So let's go to the first of all lead message here. You on Instagram. So here, let's go to the chat and you will find it here in the Instagram. If it's a WhatsApp, then you will find it here. And obviously in the chat system, right? And you open the lead card, replying right from the Como and schedule a call for tomorrow. After the call, you drag the lead to the proposal sent, upload the proposal as a file and assign a remainder task for next week. If a client accepts, you drag it into the closed one and Como track it as a successful deal. Everything logged completely, messages, tasks, and updates. So this is the best thing. So that's Kommo CRM in a nutshell. It's a messaging for CRM and that'll let you manage leads, converts, conversation, and sales in one platform. So thanks for watching this video. And if you're tired of switching between chat, apps, and spreadsheet, then this is a niche suitable CRM for you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.